सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 299, verse 168. यद्भावि न तद्भावी भावि चेन्न तदन्यथा इति चिन्ता विषघ्नोऽयम् बोधो भ्रमनिवर्तकः. विद्यारण्य एनालाइजिंग बृहदारण्य का मंत्र. आत्मानं चेत विजानीयात् अहमस्मीति पुरुषः किमिच्छन् कस्य कामाय शरीरम् अनुसंज्वरेत्. The first line of that mantra we have completed. The one who knows Atma, Atmanam Vijaniyad. How one should recognize Atma? That Atma, I am, Aham Asmi iti. Whoever recognize, understand. To such a Gnani, what desire is left out? What desire he can desire? What desire he can desire? With what interest? Desiring what? He desires something. Desiring happiness, he is desirous of that thing. Or desiring peace, he is desirous of so-and-so object or person. Or desiring happiness, peace or security, he is desirous of something. Desirous of peace, happiness, security, I can desirous of something. I am desirous of car because if car is there, I am happy. I want to be happy, therefore I am desirous of car. So car desire is because of desire for happiness. I want a house so that I can be peaceful. I need not face the owner's problem. Suppose. So I want peace. For that peace sake, I am desirous of house. For peace sake, I am desirous of peace. For that peace, I am desirous of the house. Like that, desirous of what? He desires something in the world. Because Gnani is ever peaceful, happy, secure, and he never expects anything. To expect anything, there is no peace and happiness in that object also he knows. That's why he is Gnani. She is Gnani. Because there is no peace, happiness in the world, in any object. Therefore, what he can desire? Kimichan, kasya kamaya. To fulfill whose desires? The desirous person is not there in him. Because he is already full. Purnaha. Atmanyeva atmana tushtaha. Kimichan, kasya kamaya. Shariram anusanjvaret. Mental fever. Anusanjvaram means mental fever. The mind, the mental agony. That type of problem Gnani doesn't have. Then Shastra says Gnani has got prarabdha. That three types of prarabdha is already started prarabdha. The willpower and vasana, prarabdha is governed by will and vasana. You have to use your will because of your prarabdha, because of previous karma, past karma. Body is undergoing some type of illness, suppose. Some type of problem. Because Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, no one can escape. You cannot show a single person in the world without disease. When you are not at ease is called disease. So no one can escape. This vyadhi, illness, is there because of prarabdha. Some karma, it comes. But I should not leave it. It is my fate. It is my prarabdha. So let me suffer. But Shastra says no. Even though it is prarabdha, phalam, you need not suffer like that. You can take medicines also. That is a present usage of free will. You are using free will here. Taking medicine is called applying the free will. In spite of medicine also, that problem continues. We feel that it is reduced, but it is not totally reduced. After some time it aggravates. Or sometimes it shoots up, it comes up, come to surface. One way or other. Until it comes, we do not know. Prarabdha phalam, until it comes, we do not know how it comes. So taking medicine is using free will. In spite of that prarabdha, suffering is there. Otherwise it becomes a fatalism. I am suffering because of my prarabdha. Therefore, what is the use of taking medicine? What is the use of doing any prayasitta? What is the use of doing meditation and all? Any sadhana for that matter. All these are useless. Endukana prarabdham, anubhoktavyam, that becomes a fatalism. We never accept fatalism. Therefore, fatalism is not advisable. Fate is there. In spite of that, use your free will. Fate is based on your prarabdha, karma, vasanas. Therefore, jnani and ajnani, both of them are exhausting their punya prarabdha, papa prarabdha equally. Then what is the use of coming to Panchadashi class? Why I have to come to Panchadashi class? I thought some prayojanam will come. Prayojanam is there definitely. That's what he says here. Even though prarabdha is there for jnani and ajnani, ajnani is overpowered by his vasanas. Vyasanam, that is called vyasanam. Enslaved. Not using his free will yet appropriately and succumb to that vasanas, swabhava, habits, in spite of knowing they are bad. But jnani, even though vasanas are powerful, swabhava is powerful, that jnani knows how to handle those vasanas before they are coming as desires to fulfill. How jnani controls? Is it a control? Not control. Handling the vasana-based desires dharmically. If they are adharmic, jnani will not allow them for his own sake or her sake they never enjoy. Svecha prarabdha is dharmic prarabdha. Remember those words? Svaichha prarabdha jnani is dharmic. Because jnani is a dharmic person. Because of dharmic nature only he has got a jnanam, she has got a jnanam. Therefore jnani never have svecha adharmic activities. Prarabdha. So svecha level he is dharmic. Anichha prarabdha. Anichannapi. Sometimes prarabdha pulls. There it is not in his hands. Anicca. Without his attempt or any will or anything, it happens. Anichannapi. Baladiva niyojati. But he is not affected by that. Then what is the third one? Parecha prarabdha. Neither swaicha prarabdha nor aniccha prarabdha. But some people desire us. At that locality, at that place, some people are having interest in studying Vedanta. And that jnani is there and that surroundings. Paraicha prarabdha pulls him to teach what? Vedanta. But even though that person is not very, very particular to teach, but other people's interest pulls the person towards that. para ichha prarabdha. Like that, Vidyaranya divided the prarabdha in 3 ways. So finally, what is the conclusion here? What is destined to happen according to prarabdha, it will happen. Understand, never try to resist prarabdha. Falsify the prarabdha. Mithyatva nischayam. That is what he is talking now in these slokas. Yadabhavi na tadbhavi. What is not destined to happen, that will not happen. Even you want it to happen, it will not happen. Why? Whatever I desire, what I want, why can't it happen? If it happens, you are Ishvara. Because you are not Ishvara, you are Anishvaraha. Therefore, it will not happen. Better not to happen. Because our desires may not be that much dharmic level, harmonious, good for entire humanity. Human being, ordinary human being, suppose all desires fulfilled, what will happen? No rain should come. Rain should not come. Let the thunder fall on that person's house. I don't know. See, this culprit, human mind is so dangerous. That's why Bhagavan, they kept that whole control in his hand. That's why whatever is not destined to happen will not happen. Whatever is destined to happen, yad bhavi chet na tadanyatha. If it has to happen in this manner, in this way, at this time, at this place, destined to happen. Na anyatha. Not other way round. It will not happen in other way. It will happen only whatever way it has to happen will happen. Therefore, your way of your planning is okay. We can plan, but you have no control to change that destiny. That vidhi, you have no control to change. You can use your free will. Because I have taken medicine, why this disease has not gone? That is your attempt you have done. Whether disease has to be totally go away or not to go away or to reduce or increase, it is not in your hands. Because there are umpteen unknown factors for that complaint. Even doctors, specialists, they do not know what an ordinary person, I can know why this disease has come. While living person faces any sort of disease, that is a big turmoil. It causes so much pain, mental pain, because we cannot withstand with this pain. Mental agony also very, very difficult. That is why Shastra says, may you falsify this prarabdha, may you falsify this body-mind complex. Look into that second line. Iti chinta vishagraha ayam bodhaha. Ayam bodhaha. This knowledge. What knowledge? Aham brahma asmi. Aham anatma dehaha na asmi. Manaha na asmi. All attributes belong to the only mind. Punya, papa, prarabdha, all are undergone. No, through this body only, not by me. That bodhaha, ayam bodhaha, this knowledge. This knowledge means what knowledge? Deha vyatiriktaha, atma, aham, aparichinna, atma, aham asmi. I am ever free. Body, mind is never free. Ayam bodhaha, this knowledge. Body, mind is lesser order of reality. Vyavaharika satyam, relative order of reality. I am paramarthika satyam, absolute reality. Ayam bodhaha, this knowledge. Brahma nirvartakaha, that alone is the cause for the removal of delusion. Nivartakaha means removal. The remover of what? Nivartakaha of what? Brahma, Bhranti, Adhyasa, superimposition. Superimposing the body, mind, Adhi, Jara, Marana, all upon me, I, the individual. That is real. This is Vesham. Remember yesterday's class, reflection. In the last class what I said? Experience the entire universe like a mirror. Mirror reflects everything, but it retains nothing. Last class I said, do you remember? Mirror reflects everything beautifully, but it retains nothing. Similarly, your every experience, when you are experiencing the world, don't allow to retain in the form of vasanas, impressions. If they form as vasanas, impressions, every experience, if they form vasana by continuous thinking, vasana, impressions, you will react. If you don't allow them to form as vasana, immediately you forget about that, you respond. Only respond, no reaction. This is what I said in the last class. Therefore, Jnani sees like this. Iti chinta vishagnaha. This knowledge is the destroyer of that poison. What is that poison? Chinta. The knowledge பேர் என்ன தெரியுமோ? Chinta vishagnaha. Visham gnanti iti vishagnaha. What visham? Chinta. Chinta nasti kilam. Tesham. Tesham na மேல பார்க்க கூடாது. Tesham. Like us. Chinta nasti kilam. Tesham chinta nasti kila. No chinta. Chitta chinta dvayor madhe chinta eva gariyasi. My favorite shloka. My favorite, na? Chinta is not favorite for me. Chitta dahati nirjivam vapuhu. The cremation, the ground fire, burial ground fire burns the body which is dead. Nirjivam vapuhu. Chitta dahati. This chinta is so great. Chinta dahati pranayutam. Chinta, worry, burns the live person. Chinta, worry, burns, kills the person. பார்க்கறது நன்னதா இருப்பான் வெளியில. உள்ள அந்த டொல்ல மாதிரி ஆயிடுப்பான் ஒரு ட்ரீ. சம்டைம்ஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு அப்படியே இருக்கும், டுப்புன்னு விழுந்துடும். என்ன இன்சைட் that all பூச்செல்ல பிடிச்சிடும். Lot of ants like. Similarly, chinta is always like that. ஏதோ ஒரு சிந்தா மனசுக்குள்ள. So everyone is facing at anatma level one problem or other. Nobody is free from stress in this world. You cannot show any single person. Because body mind level, when you are interacting with the world, they are inevitable. But what is this stress? What is this anxiety? How to handle it? How to control it? How to take care of this? That if you work out, you are the master. Ati vega, over speed of the mind is called stress. Why that stress comes? Because of attachment. Unknowingly. Without our plan, without our will, without our knowledge, it suddenly happens. Even we ourselves do not know that relying upon, emotionally relying upon other people for love, care. I am there for you, don't worry. And சொன்னா யாராவது ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கும். Don't allow such words anyone says. Just listen from this ear and leave from this ear. I am there for you. How can you are there for me? You yourself cannot have control on yourself. How can you give strength to me? I am self-dependent. I am not relying upon anyone for my peace, happiness, security. Emotionally, I am not going to depend upon anything. No one's care, love, I am not interested. The moment you say that, you are independent. I am not a beggar. I am a giver. I give love, I give care, I give attention, I give everything. But I never ask for love, care. All these are not there. That is called Chinta Vishagnaha Ayam Bodhaha. Chinta. So never allow the Chinta to come. It comes, but it should not enter inside. Because of situations ready. வாசல்லையும் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கோம். ஏதோ ஒரு காரணம் தேடி தேடி நம்மவே கண்டுபிடிச்சு எதுவும் இல்லைன்னா ஏதோ somehow or other will plan and keep it ready for something or other. Chinta. Very, very minute things also we create big thing. We make it big, magnify it. Shastra says nothing doing. This knowledge is there. Chinta, you are the sakshi of that chinta. Chinta is coming. Oh, mind, go and do meditation. Tell to the mind. இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கா? ஓகே, பிராணாயாமம் பண்ணு, ஜபம் பண்ணு, read nice humorous cartoons or read something and just go to park and just walk, go to see the abhishekam after that Lord. Something you have to tell your mind. Objectivity. The subjectivity is the problem. If I look at the problem in the mind as an object, mind, it's a problem. I am treating. I am not one with that problem. I am treating it. This is called objectivity towards all experiences. Every moment I have to develop this power, tremendous power if I develop, otherwise that turmoil comes and swallows me. It takes away my peace, happiness, security because of my identity. Brahma, superimposition. What is Brahma Nivartakaha? Vishagnaha, Chinta Vishagnaha, Ayam Bodhaha. Aham Satyaha, body mind is my tool, my Vesham, my instrument. Ayam Bodhaha. Billions of dollars worth shloka. Let it happen, whatever happen at anatma level. Because I have no control, I have no, what you can call, I have unpredictability is there, uncontrollability is there. Therefore, I am not very much working to change the destiny. I am ready to accept whatever comes. Anatma level, vartume, cinema la ipdidan nadakkanumanu irukka. Cinema paathendu irukom. இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும் சீன் என்ன, எப்படியானோ இருக்கலாம், எப்படியானோ இருக்கலாம். Sometimes comedy, sometimes tragedy, sometimes both mixed. Now what is the conclusion going to? இப்படி இருந்த கன்க்ளூஷன் நன்னா இருக்குன்னா அவன் வேறே பண்ணிடுவான். அந்த ப்ரொடியூசர் வேறே கன்க்ளூஷன். And the hero should not die, heroine should not die. Suppose heroine dies in the cinema, it will flap. Especially அதில் ரஜினிகாந்த் சினிமான்னா போவே கூடாது. அது மாதிரி யூ டிசைட், பட் த ப்ரொடியூசர், த ஒன் ஹூ வாண்ட் டு டேக் சினிமா, இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். அவரோட சினிமா, நாட் யுவர்ஸ். Similarly, this drama, this cinema is happening, it is not in your control. Let it happen. Watch this as also drama. You need not go buy ticket. TV தேவையில்லை. நிஜமா சொன்ன எதுக்கு டிவி? My mother-in-law dialogues is a TV for me. Or my brother-in-law's dialogues are TV for me. Or my neighbor dialogues, enough. வேற சினிமா வேணுமா? வேற ஸ்கிரீன் வேணுமா? World is a big screen. Enjoy this drama. Objectivity, distance, neighborization. Paramarthananda Swamiji says, neighborizing all experiences belong to the body mind. This sloka, remember, ayam bodhaha chinta vishagnaha brahma nivartakaha. And ayam bodhaha marakakudadu. Okay. Next sloka, 169. These are all nididhyasana slokas, very, very useful to internalize the teaching. Samepi bhoge vyasanam भ्रांतो गच्छेन्न बुद्धवान् अशक्यार्थस्य संकल्पात् भ्रान्तस्य व्यसनं बहुः. Now you have to supply in the first line one word, prarabdha. Prarabdha vyasanam bhoge. Sorry, prarabdha bhoge same api bhrantaha vyasanam gachet. Anvaya like that. Prarabdha same api. For wise person and otherwise person. For ignorant person and for knowledgeable person, Atma Jnani ki prarabdha is same. Same api, even though prarabdha is same, both are experiencing. Ivarku pallu vali varum, avarku palli vali varum. Talavali varum. Jnani ki talavali varada, varum. Cough varada, varum. Nanna varum. Enna peshi. Enna problem na vallam. Anything can come. Occupational hazards they are called. They are called occupational hazards. Any occupation, your profession leads to, you go and ask dancers what are the problems. They say umpteen problems. Musicians, singers, this another any other profession, doctors, all dentists get what back pain. Doctors, dentists, and the pallu pudding. Bend panni, ore mudugu valiyanna. This doctor has to go to orthopedic doctor. I saw one doctor, great orthopedic surgeon, he got back problem. Yen theriyumo, ellarku adi pottittu leg ki and idu podanu traction potti ivarku poda vendiyadu traction. Once one doctor comes to my classes, orthopedic surgeon in Nellore. Then that doctor, I didn't see him for 2-3 days in that exam. What happened to that doctor? He is very close to another doctor's family. Why is he not coming? He has got a back pain, slip disc. Where is he? He is in Chennai now. I am in Nellore. He is in Chennai. He came to Chennai to take treatment. Who? Orthopedic doctor. Therefore, what I want to say, same api, jnani and ajnani both are exhausting or experiencing the prarabdha. Bhrantaha vyasanam gachet. Bhrantaha means deluded person, ignorant person. Vyasanam means here attachment, addiction to that desire. Once the desire is fulfilled, again he wants, again, I want. Tambura Sruti Madri. Adida Vyasanam. Vyasanam means attachment. Again and again, repeatedly, I want to do that. I want to get it. I want to enjoy it. I want to experience it. ஒரு வாட்டி வந்தது போதும் இல்லையோ, போதும்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதோ. அது ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு. இட் இஸ் சோ நைஸ். ஐ வாண்ட் again and again and again. அதுதான் வியசனம். Whereas buddhavan, wise person, na gachet. Vyasanam na gachet. Na is there, you have to supply other two words. Buddhavan na is there. Buddhavan, wise person, not Buddha. Okay, Buddhavan anna edo and the Buddhism la irukra Buddha ne edukkodadu. Buddhavan, the one who has got wisdom, Atma Jnanam, na vyasanam gachet, will not desire for that again and again, that what you can call any pleasure, any ananda again and again. He will not. Ashakyarthasya sankalpat bhrantasya. Why this bhrantaha is desirous of that? Why he has gone towards vyasanam, attachment towards that? All impossibilities, this bhrantaha, deluded person, want to make them to fulfill. Impossibilities, ashakyarthaha. It is impossible to get it to be with you all the time. It is impossible. How is it possible? I thought my son will be with me throughout my life. You come to know after his 16 years he left. He went for job, studies, that's all. You are alone. What you thought? My son will be with me. He will help to me and he take care of me, everything. But what happened? It is Shakyam. It is possible to keep your son with you throughout life and to serve you. It is Shakyam, Ashakyam. But Ashakyarthasya, which is not possible because of the expectation of the impossible. Ashakyarthasya, sankalpaha means desire. That is called sankalpa. Projecting the future. Projecting the future, it has to happen like this. That is called sankalpa. Projecting the future alone is called sankalpa. My wife should be like this. My husband should be like this. My son should be like this. My neighbor should be like this only. Then what? My relatives also should be like this. I always condition, I want to keep them, everyone in the frame. In my frame. That's sankalpa. That is called sankalpa. This is ashakyam, impossible to get it. Bhrantaha always do that sankalpas. Bhrantaha ashakyarthasya sankalpat bhrantasya vyasanam bahuhu. Why that vyasanam comes? He always wants to keep something which is impossible to keep something with him all the time. Desiring like that. Many things in our life. இந்த ஆனந்தம் இப்படியே இருக்கும், இந்த பொருள் இப்படியே இருக்கும், நம்ம கூடவே இருக்கும், நம்ம கூட இருக்கவே இருக்காது. இப்படியே வந்துடும், அப்படியே போயிடும். எப்படி போறதுன்னு நமக்கு தெரியாது, சொல்லாமலே போயிடும். டாட்டான்னு கூட சொல்ல மாட்டான். Without informing, it will go away. Vyasanam bahuhu. I want to have control over it. It's called vyasanam. Husband wants to control wife. Wife wants to control husband. Now who can control whom now? Theriyala. Everyone wants to control others. That is called vyasanam. Vyasanam means attachment towards people, objects who are all giving comfort to me, happiness to me, peace to me. I love them. I want to be attached to them. You can never get any single person, single object in the world which can give you happiness lifelong. Impossible. If you recognize, realize as early as possible, rest of the life is peaceful. Otherwise you recognize very late, then life is miserable. You cannot enjoy your life. That's why many families, why struggles are coming? Because expectation. Expectation. Why I expect, I do not know. I expect. That is natural. Shastra says, Jnani never expect anything. What is there to expect? Next shlokas is going to say. Everything is mithya, anatma vastu. How can I expect? Come on, look at the object, what you are expecting. Come on, analyze now. Vidyaranya says, Vyasanam bahuhu. He is having lot of attachment towards them. That attachment promotes stress and anxiety. எனக்கு இவன் மூலமா ஒரே ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் வருதுன்னு, அவன் மூலமா வரல. யுவர் அட்டாச்மெண்ட் வித் தட் பர்சன் ஒன்லி இஸ் த காஸ் ஃபார் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ். அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். நம்ம எல்லாம் சமத்து, ரொம்ப இன்டெலிஜென்ட். we are always blaming either wife or son or daughter or this father wants son behave to like this, son wants father to be like this. என்னோட அப்பா அண்ணா இப்படி இருக்கணும்னா, அவனுக்கு வயசு 10 வயசு. He controls the father. எப்படி முடியும்? Then father wants to control. Why like this? That expectation. Whatever dress she has to wear, he decides. அது ஒரு ஆனந்தம். What shirt she has to wear, she decides. அது ஒரு ஆனந்தம். அவனுக்கு பிடிக்கவே பிடிக்காது அந்த ஷர்ட், ஆனாலும் அது போட்டாதான் ஆனந்தம். இல்லைன்னா வரமாட்டேன் உங்க கூட பின்னாடி. என்ன இது எப்படி தெரியும் சுவாமினி உனக்குன்னு கேட்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? இதெல்லாம் தெரிய வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. அது லோகம், சகஜம். லோகம் தீர்வுன்னு சொல்லுவான். This is the natural expectation, unhealthy expectation because of avidya, bhranti. Remove that bhranti. Why you are blaming others? Why you are always pointing others, complaining others? Stop complaining. Complain to your mind also first. Correct your mind. Check your mind. Keep that mind in proper condition. Problem need not be solved. Problem dissolve. You understand there is no problem at all. Problems can never be solved because problems are not there to be solved. By knowledge, you dissolve the problems. Problem is no more a problem. Problem is a situation. Next shloka. Maya mayatvam bhogasya buddhavasthamupasamharan bhunjanopi na sankalpam kurute vyasanam kutaha. These slokas are very, very important. How to come out of this vyasanam? How can there be a vyasanam for a jnani? Acharya presenting vyasanam is very, very difficult to be there in the jnani. Vyasana means attachment. Attachment won't be there. How? He says, Maya mayatvam bhogasya. Vyasanam for that bhoga, attachment for that favorable experience, that object, that person, association with that person, it is a bhoga. I enjoy their presence. If they are next to me, I enjoy presence, their presence. That is also a bhoga. If they talk to me, hello, how are you? They say bhoga. That is also a bhoga. This bhoga is maya mayatvam. It is a maya. Maya means mithya. It is not real. Yama sa maya. Really not there, seemingly there. That is called maya. Whole world is maya. It is seemingly there, really not there. World is there, don't answer. If you want to answer, yes, world is there, seemingly. Or you can say, unreally, world is there. Instead of saying world is not there, saying world is there unreally, seemingly. It is as good as saying world is not there. That is called maya mayatvam. Mayam means saturated with, enveloped with maya. Maya means what? Nama, Rupa, Prakriti. Matter principle. It appears as though it is there, but you on inquiry, it won't be there. Marriage water, rope snake, cell silver, all these are all like maya. Sunrise is there? Not there. But it appears as though it is there. Earth is steady or moving? Appears as though steady. But what is the fact? Moving violently. Flat or round? Experience is flat. Fact is round. What is round? Earth is round. This is called maya. Optical illusion. Therefore, maya mayatvam bhogasya buddhavan astham upasamharan. Upasamharan, withdrawing from that maya maya bhoga, this jnani never have any attachment. Astham, without any attachment, without any obsession, without any daydreaming, without any fantasy. All this not there. Astham, upasamharan. Withdrawing from that bhoga, maya, maya, maya. எல்லாமே மாயதான். இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோணும், நிஜமா இருக்காது. அதை பத்தி கவலைப்படணுமா? பாரு அப்படியே. See from far. Don't go near. Upasamharan, withdrawing. Astha means without any craving attachment. Upasamharan, withdrawing the craving, withdrawing the attachment, withdrawing obsession, withdrawing the fantasy, withdrawing the daydreaming. அதெல்லாம் போட்டுக்கணும். எல்லாமே பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையோ? பண்ணிட்டோம் முன்னாடி, இப்போ பண்ண மாட்டோம் இல்லையா? Okay. Bhunjanaha api na sankalpam kurute. Once he knows Maya, nice idli is available with sambar, chutney, milagapodi. Idli Maya or Nijama? Bhunjanaha api, may you enjoy. Pillayar Chaturthi Kodakattai. Unmaya Poya. Maya, enjoy it. Even though it is relative reality. Vyavaharika Satyam. It is useful for your Vyavaharika hunger. For Vyavaharika hunger, Vyavaharika Kodakattai is sufficient. Payasam is sufficient. So Vyavaharika hunger can be appeased by Vyavaharika food items. Bhunjanaha api. Let there be an enjoy. Na sankalpam kurute. There is no any future further planning to retain that. There is no further future planning to retain it. Sankalpam. I want to get this type of idli daily. Nadakave nadakad. Even the same lady you prepare, ask her, you have done nicely idli, next time also you bring same idli. You ask her, she cannot bring same idli like that in her lifetime. Impossible. Husband சொல்லுவார், நீங்க அப்போ கல்யாணம் புதுசுல கல்யாணத்துக்கு அப்புறம் ரொம்ப நன்னா பண்ண இட்லி அந்த மாதிரி பண்ண பாப்பா அந்த அம்மா ட்ரை பண்ணி 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 அது வரவே இல்லை உனக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இட்லி வரவே இல்லை. ஏன் வரலன்னா அப்போ ஐ தாட் யூ ஆர் சோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட். நவ ஐ கம் டு நோ யூ ஆர் நாட் சோ இன்டெலிஜென்ட். சும்மா சொல்றேன், ஜோக்கா சொல்றேன். புஞ்சானஹ அபி ந சங்கல்பம் குருதே. There is no sankalpa, future plan to retain that person, to retain that object, to get that object again and again, to enjoy. No. Once for all, gone over. If it comes by itself, let it come. I am not for that. Okay. Na kurute. Vyasanam kutaha. Where is the question of addiction? Where is the question of impressions falling on the mind? Where is the question of attachment? Next shloka. Swapnendra jala sadrisham achintya rachanatmakam drishtanashtam jagat pashyan katam tatrānurajjati. How that Vyasanam is possible for a Jnani? Because of these reasons they are not possible. Swapna, Indra, Jala Sadrisham. Sadrisham, it is like that compared to. Sadrisham means like, compared to. What? Everything in this world, every object, every experience, every person is compared to Swapna Vastu. Dream objects are real or unreal? Unreal. However much great they are all unreal. Magician do lot of things on the stage. Indrajalam. Magic. Whatever the magic done by the magician, he creates so many things on the stage. Are they real? 100% we know they are not real. Dream objects, 100% we know they are not real. Similarly, Jnani knows 100% these Vyavaharika Vastus are also Vyavaharika people, Vyavaharika experiences, all of them also same like dream objects, same like magicians created objects. No difference. Whether you believe it or not, it is fact. I am not going to wait for your belief. My job is only to say, Shastra says, my job is only to present the truth and I move on. It is your job to hold on to that truth. I am not waiting for you. Purinjada, innu puriyala, kekadu Shastra. Shastra is go on continuing, talking, telling. It is my job to catch that truth in my mind, intellect. Otherwise, taste dinayaminyau sayam prataha sisira vasanta. Budbuda prayam life, like a bubble. By just, if you see like that, years, decades goes away. Make use of when that sun shines. That's they say like that. Swapna indra jala sadrisham achintya rachanatmakam. You cannot explain this is this. Inexplicable, incomprehensible. Every object. You say this is clip. I say where is the clip? There is no clip. There is a pot. You say where is the pot? There is no pot. Inexplicable. Each object you just analyze like that. There is no pot at all. Is there a clay? There is no clay, only earth. Is there earth? There is no earth, there is only water. Is there water? Only fire. Is there fire? Only vayu. Is there vayu? Only akasha. Is there akasha? Only atma. Is there atma? Atma alone is there. Moolam, sanmoolam anvichha. Further you cannot decipher. That is called drishtanashtam. Not only that, you see, whatever you are seeing, achintya rachanatmakam, inexplicable, incomprehensible, they are all not explainable, really speaking. Then what is the next feature of this world? Drishtanashtam, perishing nature. As you are seeing in front of your eyes, it is go on changing. Lot of modifications, metamorphosis. இப்போதான் பார்த்தேன் சுவாமி, அதுக்குள்ள ஓல்ட் ஆயிட்டான்னா ஆயிடுவான். Every object, every gadget, every person. Drishtam, nashtam. Have you seen? It is a perishing nature. Whatever you see, is it imperishable or perishable? Drishtam, seen by you, it will be nashtam, either one day or other. That is called drishta nashtam. நீ பார்த்தியா? ஆமா சுவாமி, நீ கண்ணால பார்த்தேன். That will be nashtam one day or other. Be ready for that. Whatever you experience, either through the eyes, either through the ears, you hear the sound, you smell, you touch, everything. Drishtam, perceptible, whatever is perceptible will be nashtam. Why one can go for that nashta vastu? Its limitation is there. Its nature is like that. Drishta nashtam, achintya rachanatmakam, jagat pashyan, seeing that type of world, people, body, mind, objects, possessions, all of them are pashyan, jagat pashyan. Entire jagat is drishta nashtam. Achintya rachanatmakam, indra jala sadrisham, swapna sadrisham. For such an entity, katham tatra anurajyati. Is there any liking for that? Is there any desire for that? There is a nice girl came onto the stage, magician created. You want to marry that girl? Male can see the girl marry. Dream girl, you want to marry? There is no girl, there is no such a person at all. Katham, how can desire can come? Katham anurajyati. That's why Jnani never desire anything. There is nothing in the world to desire. There is nothing deserves to be desired. Appa. DD. DD in a bank DD. Okay. Nothing deserved to be desired. This is born out of knowledge. Lot of analysis, lot of understanding. Just like that it won't come. If it comes also, it goes away. It should come with clarity, with logic, experience, pratyaksha anubhava, seeing the anatma and understanding the truth. Therefore, drishta nashtam jagat pashyan katham tatra. Tatra means with regard to the objects, people, pleasures, anything. Tatra anatma vishaye, maya vishaye, katham anurajyati. Where is the question of reveling, enjoying? Will he crave? Will she crave for that? Will they cry for that? No craving, no crying. அழுதுட்டு இருக்கானே, நல்ல டிராமா பண்றான். Person, people doing a drama very nicely. என்ன drama? Life drama. Without knowing it is Drama. Without knowing, even Bhagavan also cannot act like this. Beautifully we are all acting. Bhagavan also says, aha, wonderful action we are all doing, not knowing the truth. Even Sakshat Bhagavan himself, when he comes to this body, Devatas came to Rama, enough of doing this avatara, enough, come to Vaikuntha. Then only Rama recognized, I am a Vishnumurti. What to talk of ordinary people? Thank God Rama lived as a Jnani, therefore no problem. Even a slight movement, if he forgets also, immediately he recollects. Next shloka, next page, 300, page 172. Swaswapna maparokshena दृष्ट्वा पश्यन् स्वजागरम् चिन्तयेदप्रमत्तः सन् उभावानुदितं मुहुः. Second line, sannubhava is there. San, ubhau, anuditam. Very, very important shloka. Vidyaranya want to say, just as you look at the dream after waking, dream is unreal. Similarly, in waking state also, may you think constantly. Waking world is also just like swapna. There is no difference at all. In Mandukya Upanishad, Gaudapada Charika deals with this topic elaborately. Look at the sloka. Swaswapnam. Swaswapnam means your own dream. Aparokshena drishtva, having seen directly. Experienced, you have experienced yesterday dream. What do you say dream? You are not analyzing the dream. What do you say? Ennamo connection illada dream ella varthi swamini. Na nenekkave illa adipatti idike. When the dream, how far it is unreal, useful for Vedanta, make use of it. Why you want to talking about that dream and all, this object, that object? It is unreal. Swaswapna aparokshena. Aparokshena means intimately, directly. Directly, intimately. Drishtva, having seen that, jagaram pashyan, swajagaram, in your own waking state also, may you. Pashyan means here experiencing the jagrad avastha. Drishtva means when you know the dream is a dream. After waking. After waking, you come to know the dream is unreal. After waking, but waking is unreal when you know. In waking, Swamini, what state I have to go to know the waking state is unreal? Oru state venda. In the state Tamil Nadu podum. State enna, to know the dream, for dreamer, dream is real. Dream is not unreal for a dreamer. So dream is unreal for a waker. So, waking state is different, dream state is different. Understand here? Waking state is unreal. When you have to understand? In waking state, not in different turiyatita vastana. No. Here, now itself, in waking state itself, I know. Pashyan means janati. May you understand this waking world is unreal like a dream. You understand in waking. Dream is unreal. You understand in dream? No. You understand dream is unreal in waking. You understand waking is unreal in? Very good. In waking. Jagaram pashyan. Chintayet apramattaha san. May you continuously chintayet, bhavayet. Do nididhyasanam. This Jagrat prapancha, waking world, waking experience, waking state. everything that is Taijasa, this is Vishwa. Karyam Brahma, both of them, Stula Sharirabhimani, Sukshma Sharirabhimani, both are Mithya. Therefore, Chintayet, Apramattaha, with alert mind, with vigilance. Ubhau Anudinam Muhuhu, again and again, repeatedly. Anudinam, not once in a week, Thursday. Anudinam, every day. Anudinam, Muhur Muhuhu, again and again. Again and again, every day, may you Anudinam Chintayet. What? These two are unreal. What are those two? Dream and waking state. Class is real or unreal? Unreal. Why hesitate to say unreal from the standpoint of Atma, me? Next shloka. Chiram tayo sarva samyam anusandhaya jagare satyatva buddhim samtyajya nanurajjati purvavat. Tayoho sarva samyam. Dream and waking state, both of them very, very similar. One is projected reality, another is relative reality. Both are real from the absolute Adi Sakshi Chaitanyam standpoint. Ubhau tayoho sarva samyam chiram anusandhaya jagare. Jagare, in jagradavasthayam, anusandhaya, contemplating. Satyatva buddhim santyajya. What you have to do in waking state? You drop the satyatva buddhi. The notion, the idea that it is real. It is real. Class is real or unreal? It is relatively real, not absolutely real. Seemingly real. Apparently real. But we don't say it is totally non-existent. That is why it is called mithya. It is neither totally non-existent or totally existent all 3 periods of time. No. It is only relative. Satyatva buddhim santyajya. Underline that word. That is with silver line, golden words. They are satyatva buddhim. That buddhi, that thought, that intellect, giving reality to that santyajya. Give up. Na anurajyati purvavat. He will not revel in that like previously. When he was in Ajnanam time, he was or she was reveling in the worldly pleasures, objects. After knowing them, they are unreal, like dream. This person will not revel, not crave, not have any attachment. Because Satyatva Buddhi gone. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.